In a city famous for crazy traffic congestion, Diego Cárdenas is turning to nature to create a unique and beautiful solution to urban mobility.
You have all those styles?
I have more even. Long tails that are a new model. Families are buying them to get the kids to school. Hybrid bikes, mountain bikes. So there are like 18 different models.
Diego began creating his bicycle blueprints while going to University for Industrial Design. During his studies, he took a trip to Europe for a special course on working with bamboo.
I was in Florence, in Rome, in London, in Paris, and I just saw like a lot of people riding bikes, and I was like, that is amazing. That is the way people should move inside cities. So coming back to Mexico City, I found that there was a big contrast.
Diego decided to take matters into his own hands and build his own bike from scratch using bamboo.
And in every corner, where did you get it?
Oh, yeah?
How can I get one?
Yeah.
Where can I buy it? How much is it?
Beautiful.
Yeah, first one was not that beautiful, I have to admit.
Diego now creates fully custom road bikes that can withstand the chaos of Mexico City.
Are people more conscious about people biking?
I think it is a work in progress. We're
Yeah.
not Denmark,
Yeah.
but,
Yeah.
but I think we're doing the steps that are appropriate to get more people on bikes.
Since Diego opened in 2010, interest in biking has increased. He and his team now build 4 custom bikes per week for Chilangos looking for a new way to get around.
It is actually a grass.
That is
Bamboo is a grass.
wild. Wow.
And it is very, very
No,
light.
pues sí se siente súper resistente.
We made some tests.
So cool.
We broke bamboo like this. It was 300 kilos just to like snap it.
It all starts with Diego's main ingredient. As strong as it is, the bamboo still needs to go through Diego's special process before it can be used as a bike frame.
We apply
So
a little
you
bit of
dry
fire.
them with the air first?
Yes. And then we use fire, like a torch, to roast them. This
Really?
makes the skin, the sugars from the skin caramelized. And this makes the bamboo stronger. I try to source everything from Mexico. So resin comes from the state of Mexico, steel comes from Monterrey, resin comes from Jalisco, bamboo from Yucatan.
You're like cooking a bike.
Yes.
It looks yum.
And we're just going to go with the resin, with the fiber, around the joint, like this. So once this is dried,
Yeah.
we sand it,
Yeah.
and then the bike is ready to be ridden. You want to go ride some bikes?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. No puedo creer que estoy en bici en medio de la Ciudad de México.
Diego and I are riding nearby to his favorite tlacoyo stand for lunch.
Go, 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 go.
Each morning, for the last 20 years, Rufina Loyola Maya and her daughter Felicitas Noria Loyola prepare their stand and assemble handmade ingredients. They be making tlacoyos for hungry locals like Diego and me.
This is such a pretty ride. Oh, look at the roses. Hola.
Hola.
Mi favorito es el tlacoyo de haba.
Ok.
Ese es el ganador. Pero todo es delicioso.
Pues yo una gordita de chicharrón y un tlacoyo de haba.
Both start with masa. Tlacoyos are flattened ovals stuffed with ingredients like cheese, fava beans, and chicharrón. Then they're fried or toasted and topped with nopalitos and salsas.
Entonces ustedes preparan su masa, sus guisados y todo.
Sí.
¿El día de antes o la misma mañana?
La mañana.
Pero ¿cuál es su cosa favorita de comer? De todo lo que hace.
¿Yo? El chicharrón.
¡Ay! Es que es el Oaxaca fresco. Ay, me regaló un pedacito para probar. Uy, ¿quieres probar un pedacito? ¡Ay! Ya, gracias. The fava bean is so tasty. So nicely seasoned. I love the nopales on top. Wow. Qué rico, Diego. I've loved learning about you and what you do, and really how you approach living in this city and the community. It's really enlightening.